Hey guys, it's your girl A Marie again. So guys, this is another one. So I had this fabric sitting around, guys. So what I realized is that, and like I said, this one is in the making. And you guys see, I did this one pencil skirt. When I got down toward the bottom where I walk, I kind of flared it a little bit, guys. I haven't put the elastic in yet. But I wanted to tell y'all something. Remember we was talking about these tops. So remember when I did it, guys, in the blue, I was afraid of this top being able to stay up and different stuff like that. Like I said, to be honest, I still will do the tape stuff to make sure that this doesn't fall down. But another thing that we can do, like right where it ties, y'all can thread elastic, like right here. Thread elastic right here and under here. So it'll kind of give it a structure, round shape if you thread it through like that. Okay? So another thing, guys, that we'll do with these, because this looks very weird to me. Once you realize where is going to be your bow tie, so I'm going to put pins, guys, so I know where exactly my tie start. And then everywhere else, guys, I'm going to cut it. I'm going to cut a lot of that off because it looks weird. It needs to be thinner. I'm going to cut a lot of that off. So I'm going to take it off, guys. I'm going to cut it and make this thinner because that looks really bulky. I'm going to cut some of this off, make it thinner, and then I'm going to come back online. But I got to untie the shirt and do it, guys. And then, like I say, I'm thinking about threading elastic through. Or if I just make this to fit, I wouldn't have to put elastic in it. So I might just make this to fit. Like take it in about an inch on each side, up here only. And I think that's what I'm going to do. And I'll come back and show you guys. All right. Okay, guys. So I did some more adjustments. But I always be feeling like, for some reason, this top is going to fall at any second, guys. So I just took it and I wrapped it and tied it around. Now, you could do your tops different, right? Let me show you something. Let me just tie it like that. This is not made like this. So what I did, I just took a piece of fabric, guys, and tied it around to kind of give it that look. But it's not made like that. You guys can pretty much alter it and do what you want. But I don't know, I just be so nervous with these type of tops. When you're kind of large, got large boobs. Because it's just at any given moment you could be somewhere and a boob can pop out. So that's the part that's kind of scary about these kind of tops. So if you guys see, I took two pieces of fabric and I met them together. So then, if you guys want to do it the other way, let me turn it around. And you just take it back. And then you would just tie it. So it's not permanent the way that I did it. So, or you can do it back like that. So it's not permanent. But I honestly do feel like to be secure, I really honestly feel like I do need some double-sided tape, guys. I'm not going to lie. I feel real insecure just with this hanging on. Or what if you holding a baby, right? And a baby just tug at this. Boom. Down goes this top. So I do not feel secure with this top just like this. It just feel like any given second that it can fall down. But the model lady that had hers on, you know, it looked like hers was pretty secure. But like I say, I feel pretty nervous, guys. So if you guys want to create this, go ahead and make a pencil skirt, guys, like this. And then when you get right here to the knees, right here, go like that. So make it your size. And when you get right here to where your knees bend, fan it out. And that'll give you the ability to walk. So Thank you guys for watching, guys. You guys have an awesome day. God bless. Bye-bye. Guys, so final update. So what I wind up doing, guys, because y'all remember I was really secure about this top coming down. That was a big problem, especially when you top heavy. So what I wind up doing, if you guys see this, I took this thin piece of elastic, guys, and took it all the way around. And you do your measurements on what's the width that you needed around. And then I even did it down at the bottom. So I took it like that and then did it all the way around. Because, guys, the last thing you want is to have on one of these tops and boom. Like, I just really didn't feel secure at all. I felt like at any given moment, this top could fall down. So that is just my peace of mind. I know it kind of takes away from the shirt, not like the structure that I was looking for. But I'd rather to have a peace of mind than to be out in public and your whole top go down. That would be so embarrassing. So if you guys want to do these tops and you want to have that peace of mind and not worry about, you know, your top coming down, falling down, then you add the elastic. And now I have the security that I need. See, you want to be at a parade and moving around and whatever you do, down, up, whatever, this top is not going to fall down. So, final step, guys, just do that and you guys will have the security that you need in these tops, because I felt really afraid of this top coming down. So, there you go, guys. Or if you guys still, even if you took it and tied it up here like that, you still risk the top falling down and your boobs falling out under here or still falling out up here. It's still a risk that you got to take, guys. So the best way to eliminate that is to do the elastic top and bottom. Okay, guys. Thank you guys for watching. God bless, guys. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots. So if you guys want to make this top, you can make it with or without the elastic, because some of these pictures, the elastic has not been threaded through. But I definitely feel secure, excuse me, with the elastic threaded through. So if you guys want to make this dress, and just for extra security, add elastic. Bye-bye. This is the model that I got inspired by when I made this outfit. I thought it was very cute. She was the one that gave me the idea to make this. Thank you.